Sarah and I came to, where are we? Bridal Veil. And had every intention to film this, vlog everything, but there's so much beauty around that it's almost hard to not just take it in and not record. So I'll do what I can to capture some of the moments, but I don't know, this is a beautiful walk.
Yeah.
See where it takes us. We found a path, but we don't know where it's going to take us. Steep. Oh yeah, my legs are burning right now. Whew. Oh. Let's keep moving. Check this out. Whoa. As a Florida boy, not used to any of this, I have to say, this is absolutely amazing. I don't know, this is just, it's breathtaking. Like, look at my backdrop. Wow. This is so much fun. A lot of my team members are stuck at the airport right now because of all the heavy storms going on back toward the southeast. I don't know if there's any storms going on around here, but I'd rather much be out here in nature than waiting for a plane in an airport. My heart goes out to you all. I hope you get home safe. Yo, check this out. Unbelievable, guys. I want you to see what we're seeing over this way. But look up here. We started down by the road, and this is where we ended up so far. This is so sick. Now we gotta make our way down this mountain. Got myself a walking stick. Whoa! I'm gonna kill myself. I bet people in Utah will be saving some money not having to go out to get Christmas trees. They could actually just come and take them. Like this little guy right here. Little Christmas tree. There's a big Christmas tree. Honestly, the Christmas trees everywhere. Oh no. I think I lost my clicker. Found it. Sarah loves when I vlog. This was my walking stick on the way down. I'm gonna put it somewhere for some other soul to use. If I could take this on a plane, I would. Can you see where we were up there? Can you see the waterfall? I'm gonna leave this right here. That's not working too well. I thought it was deeper. For the next hiker.
Can you take a picture of me, please?
It's so hard to put into words what it feels like, and it's even more difficult to show you like the true beauty of what we are seeing. The camera only picks up a microcosm of what we're actually experiencing. So hard to put into words. Like that right there, in real life, it just looks profound. What's up? Okay.
Sorry.
Gotcha. Ooh. Woo. There we go. Don't get wet. My turn.
Careful.
Okay. Something's wet. Something's wet. I'm soaking wet. I think I found a trail. Let's see.
We can figure it out.
Let's get over there. Ah!
Yeah, want Asian food tonight. Is this something?
Asian food sounds great, babe.
Over there?
Yeah, let's go. Right there. Let's see what we're working with. See, in Florida, we would have to be worrying about gators. We're gonna keep going this way. Oh, can we do this? Can you do this? Nice and wet. We're gonna go this way.
Okay.
I think we have to come to the realization that we have to go back. Yeah. We could probably travel right here and go across there and go through that path. Okay. So we're trying to get back onto some solid ground. We're just trying to figure it out. Oh boy! Here we go. Leave it to the gymnast. Oh, it's slippery. Oh, we just ate it. And we found a small trail that we're going to try to go through. We're retarded. So those people back there, I think we messed up his proposal on accident. Yeah, I think we did. I think we messed up a proposal. We made it back. We made it back through on solid ground. Soaking wet. Like, seriously, look.
Oh, nice other one. I only got this one.
You're all stuff. You can't even tell because
This one's dry.
yeah, it's cold. The water is cold. That was fun. But I need to get up here with you. Yeah, you're in my videos. You're the only reason people watch. We went on a nice little nature hike. I don't know what else to say, except
We saw the waterfalls. And we tried to walk across a river.
and it didn't really work out too well.
Somebody fell in.
Nah, I did.
I only got one foot.
So we're just gonna wrap it up here. But yeah, thanks for coming along with us. If you,
It's been fun.
yeah,
We have
Subscribe,
officially
follow.
We hiked Utah.
yeah, we hiked in Utah. We hiked the mountains. So, if you'd like to, you're more than welcome to follow, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Make sure you like the video because it helps with the algorithm. And if you'd like to also comment, I do appreciate that. We're gonna leave it here because we don't know what's gonna happen. If anything else happens, I'll make sure to record it. If not, have a great day. Oh, kisses. All right, one last shot.